How to extract audio from video in CapCut. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to extract audio from video in CapCut. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the CapCut app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on new video to start a new project. And after that, on the next page, simply select the video that you want to edit, and after that you can just tap on add button, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you do that, the video will be added to the timeline. And now here, once you're done with it, what you can do is you can just select the video clip from the timeline, and once you tap on it, it will open the tons of options at the bottom. So from there you can simply swipe over the option, and there you'll see the option labeled as extract audio. So simply tap on it. And now here, once you tap on it, the audio will be extracted from the video clip. And here, once you have extracted the audio, you can edit it if you like. You can clip it, you can trim it to your necessary, and once you're done with everything, you can just tap on export button, which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And once you do that, the video will be exported with the audio edit that you want. And that's it. That's how you can extract audio from video in CapCut. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.